Morning, dear viewers. This is Andy's Farm. I'd like to share with you some valuable content how to lessen costs in your farm. Here with me in the plates we have the oyster shell and the snail shell, which have been burnt, and they are going to be used for broilers. They'll be added to the broilers feed, and it will serve the broilers as calcium. After burning the oyster shell, I grated them. These are some of them which I have already grated. This is how it looks like. Very fine. You mix it with the broilers feed and they will just pick it while they are eating the food. And it's very good and very economical. So instead of buying it from the store, since I have the materials already with me, I just had to take some time, prepare it for my birds. I give it to not just broilers, I give it to the turkey and any other birds. So that's it for today. With time, you will learn more about the uses of calcium. You can use calcium as for pesticides for your crops. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you some other day. Bye.